Did you know that there are 3 secret breakfast and lunch spots on the Carnival Sunshine? You will find these spots on Deck 9 in the Havana Bar area. The first one is located in Cucina del Capitano. In the mornings you can have made to order eggs and omelets. For lunch only, the Pasta Bar is a free spot for Italian food lovers to get a quick meal. Diners sit down and fill out a paper detailing what they want in their pasta. Choices begin with the pasta itself. Then pick from 5 sauces in a variety of ingredients that include grilled chicken, shrimp, tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, zucchini, eggplant, and arugula, among others. The next one is located in ZZ Asian Kitchen. In the mornings you can have made to order eggs and omelets. The Mongolian Wok is only offered for lunch. This free Asian noodle venue is located inside of ZZ Asian Kitchen. Mongolian Wok diners fill out a paper selecting a protein, chicken, pork, shrimp, beef, noodle choice and sauce, spicy Sichuan, Thai barbecue, black bean, or soy, and then add extras. You will find a small complimentary selection of Cuban-inspired breakfast and lunch items available in the Havana Bar in the morning and afternoon. Remember to subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up and click the notification bell.